In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a document to OneNote. This process is essential for organizing your notes and keeping related documents easily accessible. Adding documents enriches your notes and allows for a more integrated workflow. Let's get started. First, you will want to open OneNote on your Windows device. Once you have OneNote open, navigate to the page where you want to add your document. This could be a project page or a note where you are compiling information. Selecting the right page is crucial because it sets the context for your document. You will see the familiar OneNote interface, which includes various sections and pages on the left. This organization is key to finding your notes later, helping you stay efficient. Next, look for the Insert tab at the top of the OneNote window. Clicking the Insert tab reveals several options for enhancing your notes. This tab is where you can add multimedia elements, making your notes more engaging. It's important to know where to find this tab, as it houses all the functions you need to incorporate external files into your notes. From there, you will choose one of the following options: File Attachment, File Printout, or OneDrive Link. Each of these options serves a different purpose. A file attachment allows you to insert the original document, while File Printout gives you a visual snapshot of the document's pages. The OneDrive link is great for linking to a document stored in the cloud. Understanding these choices will help you select the right method for your needs and preferences. Now, let's focus on the File Attachment option. When you select this option, you will be adding the document as an attachment. This means that the original file is embedded in your notebook. It allows you to open and edit the file directly from OneNote, which can save you time and keep your workflow seamless. After selecting File Attachment, you will need to browse to the location of the document you wish to add. After you have navigated to the document, click on it to select it. This step is simple but significant. Selecting the right document ensures that you are attaching the correct file. Take a moment to double-check that you have the right version of your document. This attention to detail will help you avoid confusion later on. Next, click the Insert button to add the document to your OneNote page. At this point, you will see the document appear as an attachment on your page. This confirmation is reassuring as it shows that your action was successful. You can now click on the attachment to open the document whenever you need it. Alternatively, if you want to add the document as a file printout, you will follow a similar process. Choose File Printout instead of File Attachment. This option will insert the document's pages into your notes as images. You can then annotate these images directly within OneNote. This functionality is vital when you want to highlight or make notes on specific sections of the document. After selecting your document for the printout, click Insert. You will see each page of the document appear as a visual representation in your notes. This method is particularly useful for reviewing documents and making notes directly on them. Remember, while the printout allows for annotation, you cannot edit the printout directly. If you need to make changes, you must edit the original file and refresh the printout. Lastly, if you decide to use the OneDrive link option, you will follow the same initial steps but choose to insert a link instead. This method allows you to reference a document stored in OneDrive without embedding it directly into OneNote. This is a great way to save space in your notebook while still having access to important files. Now that you know how to add documents to OneNote, you can enhance your notes effectively. Remember, each method serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best fits your workflow. Happy note-taking!